Nick!
Yo!
Come on, guys, let's go inside! What the? What is this? I've never been. Oh God, my eyes are glowing! Oh, dude, I'm getting dizzy! Whee! Whoa! Whee! Whee! Oh, for crying out loud! Ah!
Dude!
Whee! Whee! Woohoo! Whoa, 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 cactus, move out of the way! This is gonna be on. Do you shoot? Wait, how do we shoot it? Like this? How do you shoot this? Oh, never mind. This is gonna be awesome. We're gonna shoot this potato cannon. Ooh, this is gonna be awesome. Watch.
Thank you very much.
As soon as this guy loads with the potatoes.
There's only one word.
Those are the corn ones, but they don't have any more corn.
Right here. We're ready to go.
How do you shoot? Like this?
Yeah.
Hold on, Isaiah, hold on. Alright, go.
Alright.
See that?
You see that? That's what I call a powerful potato.
Dude.
See,
You sure you suck?
Right here, this is how you aim.
that's how we used to aim.
How we doing, sir?
too low.
Kablooey!
You have 6 minutes, right?
Foot soldier!
Okay.
I can't hit it! You're mad, Snoopy! Snoopy, you're hitting the A4! You're hitting the A4, you moron! Yeah, shoot the foot soldier. Finally! Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how a life cycle of a pumpkin works. Here's how it starts. Plant a seed, tiny sprout grows, vines grow, flowers. Flower becomes a little green pumpkin, pumpkin grows big, take it one home, bake a pumpkin pie and plant seeds. That's the life cycle of a pumpkin apple. Okay, guys, we're in the corn maze of Plants vs. Zombies. Now, let's enjoy the time of looking through this. Let's see. Balloons aren't just for zombies. Farmers use balloons to pollinate the flowers at the top of the date trees. True or false?
Let's go.
I'm gonna choose. So weird. This is amazing. Huh? What's this? Cherry bomb is an explosive plant when exposed to fire, but real cherries pop when they get too much water.
No, not that.
It's false. We had to turn left.
I gotta go check.
We had to turn left. Come on, let's go.
Yeah. Okay, guys, come on. Let's go. Go.
Stop what? Okay, we're next.
Come on. We gotta follow the actual trail.
Okay, let's see.
Haven't you guys seen Children of the Corn?
What's this?
That shit's
I have no idea. But we'll just
so far we haven't ran into any dead ends yet. Hey, those kids are gonna get lost, Ed.
This is awesome. We're in the corn maze. Whoa, this maze is really cool.
We already been here. We've been here.
Well, what's that? Oh, guys.
Mommy, are we lost?
Yes. We just had to keep finding our way through this maze. Let's hope we find some plants
Listen
here.
to the sound of the car.
But I'm pretty sure we won't.
Where are they going? No, don't go through there. This one, come on. I'll put it here.
that way anyway.
No. If we go straight,
We're going through a corn maze. Which way should we go now? This way. Or that way. Go that way. Colonel my cob. Let's go with him.
The way.
Well, that was very stupid. Okay, come on. Okay.
we got guys. Look at the back of your hand. There's a map. Look at the back of your hand. There's a map.
Oh, a secret entrance.
¿No que muy chingones?
Hey.
Where is everyone? Huh? What's this? Zombies love walnuts because the nut on the inside of their shell not only looks like a brain, but promotes brain health. I don't know. We're just geeks. Walnut, tell us the answer this instant. Hello? I think I hear somebody. Guys! No, we're lost in a corn maze! Ah! Wait, I think we found something. Well, what the? What is this? Watermelon loses all of its natural value when frozen. No! Okay, let's see this now. Witch hazel is actually a mushroom that grows exclusively on trees. No! Well, let's just turn this way anyway.
Electrified? It'll teach some of you guys a lesson.
Stop grabbing the corn, it's not edible! Oh man, look at this destruction. The zombies must have done this. But whatever, who cares? Right, pea shooter and Snow Pea? I can't feel my legs! Pea shooter, you don't have legs. Oh well. Dude, this is weird. Where is everyone? Okay, there they are. Oh, stop, cactus! Okay. Wait, is that a pumpkin icy? Oh no, it's smashed. Poor thing. Must have been miserable. Just like we are, cactus. Let go of us. No, I'm too scared.
Oh wait, we're at number 8 now. This is number 8. Hold on. We got
Bok
to number
choy
8.
packs a
So
punch,
true, so go
but
right.
bok choy packs tons of vitamin C. False or true?
No, false.
Okay, then let's go false.
Well, that's what we just.
You didn't go this way.
We're lost.
I said follow the panda.
Follow the geeks. Whoa, what the? What happened here? Okay. Let the geeks answer this question. Okay. Isaac Newton learned about gravity from an apple tree. Sure. Like, it's obviously true. Oh, Snoopy! Gotcha.
Are you recording? Tell number 9.
Hey, let's see. Where's the corn just flew out of nowhere? Okay then, let's go over here.
Oh, maybe it's this one.
This way. Just keep walking through.
Come on, panda. Let's get away.
Alright. Oh. Another sign. 13. Whatever. Chipotle and jalapeno peppers are the same thing. Justin!
He's over here. He doesn't know this.
Okay.
We know. We did it.
Chipotle and jalapeno peppers are the same thing.
No.
Yes.
It's that way. It's that way. What is the point? We found a wheel.
No, because there's 18 of them.
Wheel? I'm in the goodness under it.
Okay. An adult goat can eat an entire acre worth of grass in a single day.
Mom, we found pushing.
True. Come on. Yes. It is totally, definitely true. Yeah. Listen to us. Huh? What's this?
Is this the way out?
Number 15. Number 15, Burger King foot lettuce. I'm kidding. In California, the average yard can grow enough food to feed how many people in per year? 20. So we turn that way. No, that's in the right way. Zombies eat plenty of vitamin C so they never get this disease. That and the whole zombie thing. Okay, let's go over here. Scurvy. I think that's what it says. Oh, over here. Citron seems like a space aid name, but in reality, citron fruit was discovered in the 1950s. We're gonna turn that way. Where's 18? I think we're going back. We found our way back. Yes! We found our way back. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh,
Why don't you check this out? Yeah, David. Go, get right there. Hurry.
Whoa! Look! Chickens! Chicken zombies? I respect you, man. Look at these lovebirds.
They don't shut up sometimes.
Oh man. Lady M.
What's up?
Emerus Besants. That is so awesome. And what's the chicken? Chicken. It's a chicken. And an African ring-neck parrot. And Reeves. These birds are so cool. A silver pheasant. Oh man, these birds are so cool. Wait, is that another? Whatever it is. Oh, that was just the bird we just saw.
Yeah, anything that me put up.
pigeons, roller pigeons, pigeons, more pigeons, and a golden yellow pheasant. Where is it? I just don't see it.